Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can turn on nudity protection on Instagram. What this function performs is that anytime you are scrolling through your Instagram, if there is anybody that posts any pornographic images or any nudity images, the Instagram application will blur off the image, so you will not be seeing any inappropriate image on your screen. This is very good. This is a very good development from Instagram for people that uses Instagram. That's when they are scrolling, their babies or minors are sitting beside them. You can protect your screen by not showing the nude pictures on your profile. So how do you go about that? You go to your menu option here, then you click on the three buttons on the top right hand corner here, then you scroll down to where it says messages and story replies. When you click on it, then you see the option that says nudity protection. When you click on it, then what this does is that you can see technology on your device blurs photos in chats if nudity is detected. So anytime the technology on this device detects any nude image or pornographic image, it will blur out the image, so you will not be seeing inappropriate images on your screen. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.